Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by using TikTok's built-in recovery. That's the safe, official route. Open the app or web login page, tap Forgot Password, and pick email or phone. Enter the account, email address, or phone number exactly as linked to the account. This ensures TikTok locates your profile. Once you submit, watch for verification code or reset link in that inbox or SMS. Make sure you have access to the linked device. Otherwise, stop and prepare verification documents before proceeding. Next, you verify identity and set a new password. When the code or link arrives, enter it immediately. Codes often expire. After verification, choose a unique password of at least 12 characters combining letters, numbers, and symbols so attackers can't guess it. If you cannot access the linked email or phone, pick the option to contact TikTok support and submit requested details like username, previous passwords, and account creation info. This helps their team confirm ownership and complete recovery. Finally, lock the account down to prevent repeat issues. Enable two-factor authentication, update your recovery email and phone, and sign out unknown devices from account settings. Make sure your linked email account also has a strong password, and 2FA enabled. Attackers often pivot through email. If recovery fails, use TikTok's in-app support form and be ready to submit ID or account history. That's the official escalation path. If you hit a roadblock, contact support and follow their guidance precisely.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.